Yet said, oh, yeah, the finance minister, a Jumako Abrentie, or yeah, Ato
forcing.
Ato
Forcing.
I say now Atonaka say he's forcing.
He's forcing. Atonaka say all the forcing.
Ato is forcing.
Bars.
Nah, and then Oko Parliament they Oko read the budget.
Of course, 2025 budget.
Yeah, was a BM and a basebi and a boys na or yeah citizens and when you that do or your unnecessary taxes be over the years. What are to trial me year to year?
Mr. Speaker, we will abolish the 10% withholding tax on winning from lottery, otherwise known as the betting tax.
Yeah, I had to put this. Oh yeah, cry.
Yes.
But right after, seven taxes of free in after that, what could you know? What friend and oh yeah, we are minority.
Press.
And I
press conference. Oh yeah, former finance minister. Mohammed Amin Adam. Nibi no.
Other some people too, but yet say tape it as sada. Ya kay adre that shed. Honorable.
Ladies and gentlemen, betting tax that they said they have abolished. We never collected betting tax.
I don't want peace. I want problem. Always.
You get it. If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it. Yeah, how can you tell me this story?
All the lie. You said all the lie.
Talk to the rich.
Able to afford from a parkour to the rich. Now I had on me a parkour rich studios. Not be only me pay where are they here.
Of course. PKB original. They were ready, yeah, but
I say, and that your honey yet said, oh, yeah, the finance minister, a Jumako Abrentie, or yeah, Ato
forcing.
I say, now Atonaka say he's forcing.
Atonaka say all the forcing.
Ato is forcing.
Bars.
Nah, and then Oko Parliament they Oko read the budget.
Of course, 2025 budget.
Yeah, was a BM and a basebi and a boys na or yeah citizens and when you that do or your unnecessary taxes be over the years. What are to trial me year to year? Na oh yeah. Ato forcing. I mean, my brother and some bonies in the day. A Juma Quabrant ato forcing. That means something or the two. Papa Yansha video.
Despite our commitment to increase the non-oil tax revenue by 0.6%, we have programmed the following nuisance taxes for removal in line with our manifesto promise. Mr. Speaker, we will abolish the 10% withholding tax on winning from lottery, otherwise known as the betting tax. Mr. Speaker, we will abolish the electronic transfer levy, e-levy, of 1%. Mr. Speaker, we will abolish the 10% withholding tax on betting. We will abolish the electronic transfer levy, e-levy, of 1%. We will abolish the emission levy, otherwise as in Wusie tax. We will abolish the VAT on motor vehicle insurance policy. Mr. Speaker, we will abolish the 1.5% withholding tax on unprocessed gold by small-scale miners. Mr. Speaker, the removal of these taxes.
But right after, seven taxes of free in after that, what could you know? What friend and oh yeah, we are minority.
Press.
And I
press conference. Oh yeah, former finance minister. Mohammed Amin Adam. Nibi no.
Other some people too, but yet say tape it as sada. Ya kay adre that shed. Honorable.
Ladies and gentlemen, betting tax that they said they have abolished. We never collected betting tax. We never implement the betting tax. So to come and tell Ghanaians that you have abolished something that was not implemented is to deceive the people of Ghana.
All right, Director Jinaho, Nampocho for oye time NPP for your campaign. Wajina roadside and Yamana Wokita. It's a picture ya oye Dr. Baumiana picture no that one.
Cooking.
What try do no betting taxes?
Cooking.
Nese isi as an implementee. Nese onye juma.
Cooking be what?
Nimu mwana no ere be catch in a day. As an a butchim. Pike be out for one corner munzi we.
Bozu. Na me baby am jina pa area. Me investor. Ena me say adibako aye me ya. For some years now they say me sikana ma brena me nya no. Me de betu betting app mu say me twa bet no. Me winia yeti suska yeti 10% betting tax. Ena enye you gani me phones many. Omotime na onim de me bufu kra say bia me di 500 atum ana me di 1000 atum na bibie si na me si onka me yi so ebia 600 no me wini ye no DJ Package eno so omo beti sika no so ansa na aba beto me momo wallet mu ende honorable NPP former minister say ono no omo collect sika bia o
na sika no wa hin
omo collect sika bia omo implement bia they don't implement anything. So I dey ask myself say so the money should start to tear me from 2024 to 2023 no where the money dey
sika no wa hin
like omo say Jimmy like how wanna they see we like we fool or what like wanna leaders I know the bab say and onim omo opposition my press conference yeah my point is press conference now mo ye ni na enjoy ye because say aban way NPP NDC nam ha munam say you are not in line with what NDC is doing. How can you come and tell us that you have never implemented and collected
but you campaign that you are going to end it.
Boss it is say anon person mo try say sikano betting companies no na efe sikana na accident because me I know the bab
and say
where is the money like where the money they go sikana coin
sikana
because chairman 10% on every single investor ukruma amount for bet oh jai betting enye yes bet responsible amount for go to twa bet and they kura me twa bi na me win on bet so
I say Zoya investor no waka na dey so aye transactions e-level so what be your KS honorable former minister
Mohammed Amin Adam
ishe yenye makacheng and a day we're implementing taxes on bets and be honorable honorable. You see sometimes politicians what may you feel it there as our friend and answer and being there you need to remove
for real.
We were in this country when we saw people standing at bus stops before Bodo Achimota overhead and where billboard kakraka or each other what's about tax him na zone you one what's in all the existence how did they cancel them how you see I'm beginning to believe that I'm asking me work at politicians can promise you there they will build bridges when there is no revenue or you true
very true
because
100% true
all these years there we can do away with these taxes and the citizens will be free it's when you may but you wait for somebody to do it in a manner. 1 year in a press conference there. We never implemented it. If it one way, Chale, Edwin Belewa, Chale, share Sisia Yenwe Brayo, Chale,
when I open you.
Mama on Kayade Rekasa, people feel though okay, this person is an NDC fanatic
no.
Yeah, Ghana far wasn't enough for Jebim na system.
Yes.
Inti and we feel there the previous aban
no we deserve
I was watching Miracle Abuajin interview Dr. Bawumia wanted to stop the e-levy and the taxes but the executive didn't allow into the executive now were allowing in your own sense no ye MPP president and if shana chapa there or yeah in the papa na was he of good character when he knew that the people were suffering? Sabi ye tue yaman and wusu smoky ofika no tumpo by ye tue tax. Chale COVID o chamu kwei ye kwada tue tax. Na sa nyamia ye na adom na nda se yenya finance minister otumu komokwala oketse igwom ansana wa be implement nyama mu be jina ka chere we never did it.
We never implemented and collected.
Mo said that mutsina opposition be 400 years. Papa. Inyada mo ayaboni bia o for taking people for granted. Why the mutsina opposition be 400 years. Inyada NDC for no. Yeah, real Ghanaians you feel there.
We deserve better.
Yes. The fucking things is too much. Yenwe boy o. Yenwe boy. See anan when our bets and what say when your freedom.
Freedom is here.
Wo bocha. What chesa wo
be that agree crowd actually.
Atu said, ya be sure.
Na me person bibisa former honorable former finance minister and one question pe o DJ Pakorich. Me person bibisa say eneno or train yem command like fasting or ye biana because baby o jina or person or train say omo implementing collective she no or you sure say fasting or ye biana
Otra
be jina o tantro say
Otra
mu fi say ya jimi.
Anyway, nyamanka won when wa kwahwisam na wo latabɔ na akwahwisam a wo di one fantin a one micro minority one. There are few people are over NPP am pe one answer. Malama brother Kosa Brown dey or pewasem but still pa nim no nyim da no kofa adzigenjan na wo ye.
Charlie.
Atase. Nyame shawan Ghana for yada one answer. President John Mahama me but I remember the finchim to the extent that we 4 years and so I can't cast Ghana for your boy. Yana catch the papa.
Tuado.
Inhala efi abe my bosu. Say Ian's I'm a papa. Now what's so bad fucking sense is that? You bet shock one.
Liberty.
I say, see, young boy. Yes, what else? Yeah, I'm for me. What you think in the comment section? We are out of here. Bye.
Happen.
I don't want peace. I want problems. Always.
You get it. If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it.
Yeah. How can you tell me this story?
All the lie. You said all the lie.
Power to the rich.